Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install custom LED lamp notifications on NOKIA X35. And to do this, you'll need to open your Google Play Store. Here, try to find app called Notify Buddy. Now select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch that app. Now move to the next step and grant 3 permissions to the app. Last one is battery optimization, which is optional and I wouldn't disable it. Now let's proceed, and from here we can start using this app. There's 4 tabs: User, System, Active and Settings. In User you can select any apps to allow for a custom LED lamp notifications. In System you can find all system-bound apps. In Active there's all apps that you've just activated, and in the settings you can change anything about your LED lamp, like its size, shape, placement on the screen. Now let's click on the Test button, and here we can see the LED lamp. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.